All right, this is going to be a quick one. So I actually recently deployed a website online. So it's actually made with ReactJS. And after the deployment, so I noticed that the home page is working fine, perfect. But when you just try to navigate to the other page, such as the about, the services, and all other with the rest of the pages. So they are not actually working fine. They are showing 404 error. And this page is actually handled correctly. Well, it's working fine on my local set of local environment, and I'm using React Router to handle the issue. So when I try to ask Copilot what's causing the issue, so I noticed that I got the response that this is a common issue with sparse deployed on Vercel. So the problem is actually occurring because the project is sparse and it's deployed on Vercel, and it occurs because Vercel servers doesn't know how to handle client-side route when users directly access URLs under the route path. So in simple terms, so what the reason why the issue is occurring is because Vercel that has an issue deploying with single page applications that is deployed on Vercel. And for us to be able to fix that, we have to create a Vercel.json file with where a write route that will redirect all requests to the index.html file. Then after the React route, the direct users to the index.html. Then the React router for my app, we handle the routing client side effectively. So in order for you to be able to fix this issue, all you have to do is to create this code. So and you create it with Vercel.json in the main root folder of your website, so of your web app. Then after you've created this, then all you have to do is to deploy, and Vercel will fix the issue. So that's all you need to know about fixing the issue. And if I still have an issue while trying to deploy your website on online, then feel free to leave a comment and I'm going to respond to it.